Evening, everybody. I say evening, late afternoon. Lol. Let's have a little quick look at these babies. Yeah, we're at Bubwith tomorrow, 126 mile. We're just getting a little bit fed up with them coming over their bungalow out of the east. I know what they're doing, they're following the drag. You see, I think I worked out it was over 700 pigeons sort of like going over to the east on the Norwich line, down the A47. And our pigeons down there in South Norfolk, they've got a break. You know, it's as simple as that. They've got a break. Maybe Sutton Bridge, King's Lynn, but they're just not breaking at all. So we changed things up in the week. We had 3 tosses. We've moved sort of the training line over to the west. But now we've got the Ring doorbell, we can see exactly where they're coming from. Coming over the bungalow again. Right over the bungalow, as you'll probably see earlier on in the video. So I think we're just going to have to persevere with it. Problem is with these southwest winds, you know, we're flying against the drag and the wind down there in South Norfolk. We just need some, you know, east winds, maybe even dead norths, northeast. You know, because they're having their own way. Yeah, like I say, we're going to have to persevere. We're going to keep trying out towards the west and see if we can get a line, you know, get them to attack a line out of the west. So I'd rather them sort of coming out of the west than I do out the east. Definitely. But yeah, anyway, let's have a little look at these babies. Hey! Really happy with them. Really happy with them. Now they're looking well. Really well. I'm just looking forward to the big one, the big money race. And they're done by Young Bird National. They're the only sort of 2 races we set out to sort of have a good crack at. All of them are nice to win. Obviously, we've won the last 3. We've actually won the last, I think 6 or 7 races back to back, including the old birds. So yeah, we can't grumble. Looking well. Even a little winner from last week. That's actually changing this week. It's funny. It's handling like a different pigeon. But yeah, another shitty southwest wind tomorrow. So it's probably going to be the same. It's just a shame we ain't got more sort of members or clubs down in South Norfolk and sort of southern Suffolk, you know, just to give us a little bit more pull down there. But you know, the closest loft to me is James Burrows, and he's sort of dead west of me by about 4 miles. So we just like to say, we're going to have to persevere with it. I don't think this wind's going to change either for the next, well, as far as I can see, to be honest with you. Back in southwest winds, what a piss off, I'm telling you. Coast boys will be rubbing their hands, Norwich will be rubbing their hands. See, a lot of people forget, you know, the drag going to the east. You know, you've got some top members out on the A47 in Mattleshall. You know, you've got David Hicks, you've got Tom Burkle. Then you've got them running into Norwich. 3 clubs into Norwich. Then the flag pigeons have to go over Norwich. Nest Point, which is Lowestoft, Kessingland, they're all sort of like out on the coast. So all their pigeons are sort of actually coming in Norfolk on the same line. Yeah, we're just going to have to deal with it, it's as simple as that. Just a few nice east winds will do, even dead north. You don't want it dead south because they act like a crosswind. Unless it's the southeast, then you know that'll be handy. But all we can do is just keep fucking sending in good condition, fit, motivated. We tried something else this week as well. You know, we've split the hens, young hens with the young cocks. You know, just to motivate them through sex now. The last 3 weeks we've been sort of motivating them back on eggs, but we took all them away because they're all hatching. And these cocks are driving hard. And we've just sort of let them back together today. Yeah, it is what it is. But I'll bring you back tomorrow. The race day. Anyway, you all take care. Bye bye. Morning all. Race day number 5 for the babies. Buzzing for it, come on. You're gonna have to bear with me today though. I'm a bit tired, didn't get much sleep last night. Oh, it's a day to remember. I forget yesterday, remember, forget, I mean, see, there we go again. Fucking hell, well tired. Yeah, laying in bed, me and the wife, about 11 o'clock, watching a bit of telly. All of a sudden, we heard a massive smash. Looked out the window, and my car had been moved about 10 foot. Some geezer left the pub last night round the corner, pissed out of his head. Actually, he's the new owner of the pub. He's only been there a couple of months. And he's obviously come round the corner, ploughed straight into me Audi. Fucking complete write-off. I went running out. I thought the geezer was dead. He was unconscious. Smoke was filling in the car. Fuck me, ambulances everywhere, fucking fire engines, old Bill everywhere. But yeah, lovely, eh? I ain't got a car to train them all. But looks like the van will be here very soon. So yeah, you gotta bear with me, I'm so tired. Literally, I must have had a couple of hours sleep. But yeah, anyway, forget about that. We sent the whole team, 22 young'uns, and the 6 old hens. Just to keep going for the NRCC in a few weeks. We pulled the one pigeon, the big checker, 07802. He's had a first club and a second club. So yeah, we had to stick the pills on him. But anyway, they went up at 9. And it's still only early, it's only 20 to 10 now. Nice sky for it. You guessed it, southwest wind again. We can't do nothing about that. We've just got to hope our pigeons sort of like don't follow too long into Norwich. So that'd be really nice to get, you know, a couple come off the line, the good line, the line we need. But yeah, well done, Howells and Dorrit last week. Top in there, Norfolk and Suffolk Championship Club. Well done, lads. Well done, Tom Burkle. Fucking fantastic racing again, mate. You had a great season. Yeah, I think Patty had a good race over at Nest Point as well. Yeah, we're a bit behind in the open, but that was understandable. You know, on that wind, we ain't going to do much cop. Probably won't today either. See, we're down here in South Norfolk, and the radius of our organisation is massive. You know, it's Norfolk and Suffolk. You know, we've got Kings Lynn right at the top, flying, what, 40 miles shorter than us? 30, 40 mile. And you got the rest running into Norwich, like I was saying earlier, over to the coast. But it is what it is, isn't it, you know? And like I said earlier, you just got to make sure the pigeons are in form, fit, and the rest will come. But yeah, I'm expecting them, I think about 50 miles an hour. Anything sort of faster than that will be a bonus. Yeah, 50 miles an hour. Could be quicker if they hold line, but I don't think so. But anyway, I'm going to bring you back in a little while. And probably start recording at 2 hours, because we're at Bubwith today, 126 mile. And big yard, I think, so yeah, near on 127. So 2 hours, that'll still be too quick, 2 hours, but I'll bring it back that 2 hours anyway. Hope everyone's good. Hope everyone's happy with a young bird team. I have been seeing big losses, you know, on Facebook and that. I hope, you know, a lot of them work in. But it's just weird nowadays, isn't it? You know, you get some missing. If they ain't them by Sunday, you might as well kiss goodbye to them. There's no pigeons are getting reported. We ain't had a pigeon reported for 3 years. So I don't know where they go, or if fanciers just can't be bothered to report them. So yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a little while. I'll stop rambling on. Bring you back in a bit, peeps. Right, that's now bang on 2 hours. So 126 mile, that's 63 mile an hour now. I'm going to leave it recording, you never know. Yeah, we've got two. Come on. Come on. Where'd that other one go? I think that was with a stray. Come on. That's my pooler. That's the 07802, the big checker cock. Was won his first club and second club already. He didn't mess about. I should think you see that pigeon actually come out of the west. I'd rather them come out of the west and sort of come out of the east. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on. Come on. Come on. And I think that is 07801. Nest mates for the first one. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's a winner from last week. that second one on the pad, that's 07801. So our first and second today, both messmates. They're both bred from the 81 hen, and full brother to the tranny. More big Fraser's blood. Yeah, well happy with that trap. That first one turned into a good pigeon he is. Like I say, he's already had a first club and a second club, beaten by Loft Mate. So there'll be 2 late breds for sale off the Shire to our first 2. We've now got him paired to the Joe Rosier's hen. Looks like our cross, you know, with Fraser's family into the bulks. That's working so far. It's gone a little bit dry now though, isn't it? Maybe this train right out to the west has helped. We'll keep at it. Because like I say, I'd rather them come out of the west than the east. Because most of our competitors now in the open are over to the east. Alright, we've got members out to the west obviously, but I'd rather fight it out in the club. Come on, where are the rest of them? Yeah, we ain't seen an old hen either. Come on! So nice. Oh, that pigeon. Come on! It's off the super snail. Another grandchild of Big Fraser. She'll be going at Dunbar. Come on! Another grandson of Fraser at Darton. That dark cock there, young cock, he's a full brother to the tranny. Go on, in you get. Come on! Come on! Oh, nice. Come on! He's a big blue. He's from daughter Celeste. Compared to a full brother CJ Angel. Come on, in you get, boy. Come on. He's had 2 second clubs. Yeah, I've got another one coming out the west. Look at this coming in, look. Oh, I just missed the loft. Gosh. Oh, 7782, he's off Big Girl when paired to a son of CJ Angel. Come on. Come on. In you get, boy. Come on. Come on, in you get. In you get. Good boy, go on. Come on. Come on. Hold on. Majority of them are coming out of the west. Bonus. Now we've just got to hope the first four sort of on top of each other. We've sort of got out in front. We have got, well, most of our members in the club are out to the west. I reckon old Jimmy Davis could be, yeah, I've got three together here, look. Come on! You can see where they come out of. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Get in! Get in! Wait! Get in! Get in! Get in! Come on! Bonus, all of our A-rings are back. They'll be racing the end of the month for 24 grand. Yeah, they're going well. Up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. In you get. In you get. Come on. Oi. Oi. That's an old hen anyway. Another one off the Super Snail. Compared to the 73 cock. Granddaughter, Big Fraser. Right, I'm going to stop that now. Well happy with the first four, especially the first one. How he trapped. He comes sort of, you probably actually see him on there, fold up, sort of come out of there. So that's definitely an improvement. Like I said, I'd rather him come out of there than over the bungalow. But yeah, 2 hours 20 the first one, then 2 hours 21, then we had two at 2 hours 22. So you can't grumble really. Faster than 50 mile an hour anyway. 2.5 hours we bang on 50 mile an hour. Yeah, well happy. Anyway peeps, much love as always. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you could hit the like, even drop us a comment, even share the video, would be much appreciated. Now we're now trying to get to 2,000 subs. I know it's going to be a tall ask, but that'd be nice. So if you watched and you ain't subbed, please sub. Nah, jokes aside, if you don't, then it is what it is, isn't it? Anyway, much love. You all take care. Look at all these together, look, sir. Nah, that's all right. Come on. Got 2 strays up there as well, look. Happy days. That's them all home nearly now. Bosh. Hello everyone. Here we go. Another winner today. So this cock, he's had 2 firsts and a second, beaten by Loft Mate. Unbelievable. So yeah, we were first, second, 6th and 7th today. But this cock, he's turning into a weapon. Like I say, he's had 2 firsts and a second, beaten by Loft Mate now. He's a son of our 81 hen when paired to Chalky 23, full brother to the tranny. But yeah, he's a proper weapon. Look at him, look. He's the biggest pigeon in the team as well, the deepest pigeon, and he's doing the damage. So yeah, 07802. Might call him the up yours cock. So yeah, we'll get his nestmate as well, because she was second, 07801. So I'll now just get her and give you a little show of her as well. But yeah, there he is, the winner today again. Lovely cock. Bosh. Right, here's his nestmate, 07801. Hey, come here. Here's second club today. Get up here, you little bugger. Really happy. Hey! Just get away from the loft. She's camera shy. But yeah, she's a lot shallower than her brother. More of a sort of apple body, this pigeon. So yeah, well happy. First, second, sixth and seventh. That's 4 young bird races on the bounce now. And I think that's seven or 8 races on the bounce, including the old birds. So yeah, doing us proud. Yeah, there we go. Anyway, everyone, yeah, well happy. We've got full returns, 22 out of 22. First, second, sixth and seventh. Just want to say thank you ever so much, everyone who's been watching. If you could hit the like, if you weren't subbed, hit the sub. Hope you all had good returns. And yeah, much love. Take care. Really happy with that win today. First, second, sixth and seventh. Well done, Steve. Well done, Lee, Glenn, everyone on the result. See him again. 07802, 07801, both nestmates off the 81 hen and Chalky 23, full brother to the tranny. So yeah, well happy. Full returns as well. Well done all.